are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you. How about in you? Okay, just kidding. Okay, the first one. Are you ready for the test today?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, good job. So the first part is about introduce himself. Okay, yourself. Sorry. Can you introduce yourself?
yes.
Okay, go. Let's go. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello, my name is Long. I am 13 years old. My favorite food is apple, and my favorite drink is a cake. No, a water.
Okay. What else?
My favorite studies is history.
And
My history and science
okay. What else?
and maths.
How about English?
Yes.
And yes, maybe that's
No,
the right.
history and science.
Okay, how about English?
History.
Do you like English?
Yeah.
Yes.
But I like history first and science.
Okay. And when you grow up,
History
who
and
do you want
science.
to become?
Become. Ai là người đã cho anh thích lịch sử hả?
No, who do you want to become in the future? What job that you do in the future? What is your dream?
Military.
Wow,
Military.
military. Oh my God. Okay, nice. You are maybe strong. Okay, strong boy. Okay. How many members in your family?
Hi, my dad, my mom, my younger sister, and my younger baby, and me.
Okay. What is the name of your younger baby?
Bean.
Bean is the boy, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What is your father job?
Mm,
Mm, you don't know.
mm,
You don't know your father job.
Sell, mm,
So,
seafood, sell seafood,
cell phone. He sells cell phone.
sell, không, bán đồ ăn,
Oh,
bán
cell food.
tôm, sell.
Okay, so he is a seller. Okay, seller, right? Okay, you have a store, right? Okay, good job. Okay, so right now, have you remember the lesson? I'm handsome and I'm cool.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's go. We move on to part two. Okay, I want to talk to you more, but maybe that's we don't have time. But I can see that you are really interesting boy. Okay, so right now part two. Okay, right now, Cảnh Long, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so there was a guy named Tony. Great. Okay, was there a guy named Cara?
No.
No. Was there a guy named Tina?
No.
No. Was there a guy named Long?
No.
No. Was there a guy named Tony? Oh my
Yes.
God. Yes. Okay. What is the name of the guy?
Tony.
Tony. Okay. And how many problems did Tony have?
My, his problem is uh his
How many
problem is
problems?
a
But how many problems? Right?
two.
Two. Okay. And is he confident about himself? Confident?
No.
No, not confident, right? Yeah. Okay. And tell me, what is the girl Tony like?
Angela.
Angela. Okay. And when Tony tried to ask Angela questions, what do her do? What did she do? What do the girl do?
She had loud. She laughed.
Yes, she
He
laughed at him, right? Okay. And when she have a conversation with confident people, how did he feel? Did he feel really happy?
no.
Did he feel
He
sad?
asked question. No. No.
No. Did he feel nervous?
Yes.
Yes, he feel nervous, right? Okay, good. And the next one. So tell me, what is Tony incantation?
No.
What is this? What is he incantation? Is he incantation, I'm sexy and I'm beautiful?
No.
No, is he incantation, I'm handsome and I'm cool?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. And next one, does he say it when he go toilet? Yeah.
No.
No, does he say this when he studying?
No.
No, does he say it when he working?
No.
No. Yes. He says
Yes.
when he working, okay? How about when he watching TV? Does he say it?
I'm sorry. I'm cool.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Good job. And the next one, tell me over time, does he start to hate it?
No.
No. Does he start to believe it?
No.
Yes, he start to believe it. Okay. And tell.
Uh,
Oh, okay. He start to believe it, right? Okay. And the next one. So tell me, where does he start to go?
he
Does
stop.
does he start to go to the hospital every day?
No.
Now does he start to go to the museum every day?
No.
Now does he start to go to the school every day?
No.
No. So he start to go to the gym every day.
No.
The gym.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Does he lift weight in the gym? Lift weight.
Yes.
Yes. Does he
Yes.
do exercise in the gym?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Does he sleep in the gym?
No.
No. Okay. And tell me, over time, when he do exercise, does he got stronger?
No.
No, he not stronger.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Yes, right. Okay, got stronger. Next, what did he join? Which class did he join?
Public speaking class.
Public speaking class. Okay, good job. And did he introduce himself shyly in this class? Shyly?
No.
No. Did he introduce himself as sexy in this class?
No.
No. Did he introduce himself confidently in this class?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What did he introduce himself?
I'm sorry. I'm cool.
Good job. Okay. And tell me, after that, whose apartment did he go to?
Go to Angela apartment.
Angela apartment. Okay, good job. And did he knock her door?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Does Angela open the door? Open?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What does she say?
She say, let's go to grab the food.
Good job. Okay, how does Tony feel when Angela say that?
Happy,
Happy. Yes. Okay. Good job, boy. Okay, you remember a lot in this class, in this lesson. Good job. Okay. Right now we move on to our last part. Okay. I'll show you the paragraph, and then you need to read all of this. Okay.
I am handsome and I'm cool. There was a guy named Tony. Tony had two problems. First, Tony was not confident about himself. Second, he looked talk to Angela, a girl he wanted to impress, but her away lost. He asked him especially when he asked them questions with confident people. He felt e- even more nervous in conversations. One day, Tony decided to develop new empowering beliefs every day. He repeat an incantation. I am handsome and I am cool. He sat this while looking in the mirror, eating, walking, and watching TV. He repeated it constantly. Over time, Tony started to believe in it. Tony began going to gym every day. He worked out, little, red, and excited, while saying, I am some and I'm cool. He got stronger. Next, he joined the bubbling speaking class. He introduced himself confidently. Hi, I'm Tony, and I'm handsome and I'm cool. I'm cool. Inadvertently, Tony truly became handsome and cool.
Okay, Cảnh Long, teacher can see that you read is really clearly and fluently. And I love your voice too, okay? You try to press the sentence. It's really nice. Okay, I love your voice. But have some word you read is not correct. Okay, try to fix it right now, okay? I read first and then you read before me, after me, okay? So the first word we have impress.
Impressed.
Yes, it's not feel, it's felt.
Felt.
Good job. Next one. Conversation.
Conversation.
Okay.
Conversation.
Develop.
Develop.
Okay.
Develop.
Empowering.
Empowering.
Good job. Okay. Next one. Let's see. Exercised.
Exercise.
Good job. Public.
Public.
Not
Public.
public. Oh, public. Yes. Okay. And the last one. Introduce.
Introduce. Introduce.
Okay. Not introduction. Okay. And eventually.
Inventory.
Okay. Eventually. Okay.
Inventory.
Good job. Okay, so right now, really good boy. I didn't think that you can pass the test today, but you do it very well. Okay, good job. Okay, love you. And right now, it is time to say goodbye. And see you next
Goodbye.
time. Bye bye. Bye, Can.